Welcome to ClickBank Super Affiliate Secrets. ClickBank has paved the way for individuals to generate substantial income through affiliate marketing. Super affiliates in particular have mastered the art of maximizing their earnings on ClickBank. In this presentation, we unveil 10 ClickBank Super Affiliate secrets that can elevate your affiliate marketing game to new heights. First, niche selection. Super affiliates focus on niches that align with their interests and expertise. They conduct detailed research to identify niches with high demand and low competition. This involves analyzing keyword trends, competitive strategies, and potential profit. Second, product research. Successful super affiliates prioritize promoting high-quality products with a proven track record. They assess a product gravity score on ClickBank, indicating its popularity among affiliates. Additionally, they scrutinize customer reviews to ensure the product meets or exceeds expectations. 3. Building a responsive audience. Super affiliates understand the importance of audience engagement. They create targeted content that resonates with their audience's needs and pain points. Social media platforms, blogs, and forums are utilized to foster a sense of community and trust among their followers. 4. Effective email marketing. Building an email list is a priority for super affiliates. They employ lead magnets such as free guides, reports, or webinars to entice visitors to subscribe. Through segmented email campaigns, they provide valuable content, exclusive offers, and personalized recommendations to nurture relationships and drive sales. 5. Strategic content creation. Content creation is diverse and tailored to the preferences of the target audience. Super affiliates produce blog posts, video reviews, tutorials, and podcasts. They optimize the content for search engines, ensuring it ranks well and attracts organic traffic to their affiliate links. 6. Utilizing paid advertising. Super affiliates leverage paid advertising channels judiciously. They conduct detailed keyword research, create compelling ad copy, and design eye-catching visuals. By closely monitoring ad performance and adjusting targeting parameters, they optimize campaigns for maximum return on investment. 7. Split testing and optimization. A/B testing is a continuous process for super affiliates. They experiment with variations in headlines, ad creatives, landing pages, and calls to action to identify what resonates best with their audience. Regular optimization ensures that campaigns remain effective and competitive. 8. Understanding the sales funnels. Super affiliates design sales funnels that guide prospects through a journey from awareness to purchase. They use lead magnets, tripwire offers, and upsells strategically to maximize the value of each customer. By analyzing the sales funnel, they identify and address potential bottlenecks. 9. Networking and collaboration. Networking is a key strategy for super affiliates. They participate in industry events, engage with other affiliates on forums and social media, and attend affiliate marketing conferences. Collaboration opportunities such as joint ventures or product launches help expand their reach and share valuable insights. 10. Continuous learning and adaptation. Super affiliates stay informed about industry trends, algorithm updates, and emerging marketing strategies. They invest time in ongoing education through webinars, courses, and industry publications. By staying ahead of the curve, they adapt quickly to changes in the affiliate marketing landscape. And in conclusion, mastering the ClickBank affiliate marketing game requires a combination of strategic thinking, dedication, and continuous learning. By implementing these 10 ClickBank Super Affiliate secrets, aspiring affiliates can enhance their chances of success and unlock the full potential of the ClickBank platform.